Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. It is Father's Day morning. It is Sunday morning here in the United States on the west side of the country. I just wanted to say happy Father's Day to all you dads out there that trade, all you moms that are raising kids without a father. Happy Father's Day to all of you. Enjoy today. I'm going to go out and enjoy the day with my kids and enjoy the night with my kids. I'm going to leave the markets to themselves until Sunday night, Monday morning. And I'd like to apologize for that really crappy trade on Friday, or on Thursday, I should say. Maybe it was Friday. No, it was on Thursday. Friday was off. I had three trades to choose from. I had a NASDAQ trade, a Russell trade, and an S&P trade. I didn't want to put us in all three because of the risk, so I chose the NASDAQ. NASDAQ ran up, got stopped out. Russell went up, hit the perfect sell spot and dropped. S&P went up, hit the perfect Omni spot and dropped. Russell I chose, excuse me. NASDAQ I chose, NASDAQ got stopped. My bad on that, kids. I probably should have tossed out all three trades. I was just worried to take all three trades, and if they go bad, how bad that can be. Turned out the only trade I chose for us was the wrong one. That was completely on me. The Omni actually had us set up for a pretty decent day, and Oscar chose one out of the three and screwed us up. But something good has happened. Look at the OMNIPHOENIX, kids, all-time new highs today on Father's Day. What more could dads ask for? Around the world, we have OMNIACS all over the world in the OMNIPHOENIX coin, and it just made a new high this morning on Father's Day. Now, if you're not in the OMNIPHOENIX, please get yourselves in. We have traders all over the world that are getting into the OMNIPHOENIX. We have very loyal OMNIACs that have the OMNIPHOENIX, and they're not looking to sell it. We're going up to 10, 15 million with this coin, and we invite all of our OMNIACs to take the ride with us. Our long-term holders are holding solid. Our new people are getting a chance to get in. Please make sure you get yourselves in the OMNIPHOENIX token. You can get it at Coinbase, Phantom Wallet, Pump.fun, most exchanges. It's still cheap, kids. I invite you in now while it's still cheap. We have a huge crowd of OMNIACs around the world, and we are absolutely organically going to move this much higher. A great chance for all of you to make some coin. Please join the OMNIPHOENIX. Please get yourselves in. I implore you. The rest of you OMNIACs who are already in this coin, you're doing a great job. I'm there to protect you. I will do my job. I see you're all doing yours. Great job holding your coins and buying more. We will all do the same. We invite OMNIACs from all over the world to get in while it's still cheap. Traders, thank you so much for everything you do. I promise to come up with a much better trade on Monday than that crap on Thursday from the NASDAQ. But made up for it in the Omni token, making all new highs. Get your OMNIPHOENIX token. Get it now. You won't regret it because I will be there to help you at every moment. Thank you for everything you do, OMNIACs. Enjoy your day. Take the day off and have a great time with your kids and family. From there, I will say, stop soaring. Emotions are rock and roll traders. I will see you at Live with Oscar. Get your OMNIPHOENIX token. Get it now.